Alright, I got this chair for my patio. This is it fully reclined. I am 5'3", and it is a good size for me. I feel like this is not meant for an extra tall person, but it's perfect size for me. I feel secure in it. It is comfortable. I'm more comfortable without this headrest on there, but it does come with this padded pillow headrest if you would want it. It also has a shade. Depending on where you are, you might be able to use that shade to block your head from the sun. I appreciate this guy right here. Came on and off real easy. Cup holder, phone holder, larger tablet or book or clipboard holder. These right here help lock it in place so that it won't, there we go, so it won't go down on you. So you can lock it in place, or if those are up, then it can go, you know, that's how it moves, sitting up or reclining. Just push this down and it will lock it in place wherever you have it. I wouldn't say that it's as comfy as like a family room recliner. I think that's pushing it. It's not as comfy as a family room recliner, but it is very comfortable. Definitely falling asleep in it, and it's pretty lightweight, pretty easy to move around if you need to. I wouldn't consider it traveling, but I mean, if you want to move it from one spot to a different spot on the patio for the sun, it's not too heavy. Seems like it's holding up well. Like I said, it's been outside for a few months. Definitely been outside more since I've gotten it. I enjoy it a lot.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.